Hello, my name is Jim. You're watching the Tradesman Channel, and tonight we're going to show you guys how we are taking a drab little cooped up space and turning it into a private little sanctuary. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the other side of it. It's almost like I invented it. Ah. Look at that. We are through. Now for the fun stuff. So most people can relate to not having enough space to do this or that and all that good stuff. When you're married, you have kids and all that. Sometimes you run out of room to do things. So this space right here is actually an exercise area for my wife up in the timber frame. If you guys are unfamiliar with the timber frame and you're new here, check out the cards at the end of the video, the end screens. It'll take you to the playlist where we built this structure. So this space is going to end up, it's a 12 by 28 space. So one end of it is going to be an office for editing videos, because she also does YouTube. And it's also going to be just a quiet space to have a cup of coffee. We got a beautiful view out the back window overlooking the Thousand Islands region on the Canadian border. Very pretty. Got a nice set of woods out here that we can look at. So we just kind of needed that space. And we finally have heat in here. I'm almost done finishing it off. I'll take you guys along for the rest of it. I just kind of wanted to get everybody up to speed of where we're at, and I guess that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this one, everybody. It's been fun. We're going to keep going, and I'll catch you on the next one.